right, so today we're going to do another easy science experiment at home type of thing. And what we're going to do is make a carbon snake. And in light of the fact that 4th of July is coming up pretty soon, I figured that this would be a great little reaction for us to do. So what you need for this is going to be some sugar, baking soda, lighter fluid, and I made a little makeshift plate. This is where I'm going to put my contents, and you're going to need a lighter. But let me tell you a little bit about the reaction itself and the background on it. So what's going to happen is we're really going to have 3 reactions. So I went ahead and wrote them down so you guys can see what's going on. You're going to have a combustion reaction. In this case, what happens is that sugar in the presence of oxygen is going to produce carbon dioxide and water. You're going to have a thermal decomposition of sugar. It's going to decompose and create carbon and water. And then at the same time, because in our little mixture we're going to have baking soda, you're going to have another thermal decomposition, and this is where it creates sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide, and water. And that's going to help push out that snake and make it look pretty awesome. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do this outside. All right, so here we are outside. I went ahead and put some sand in our little dish. And the sand is going to help with distribute the heat around our dry mixture. And here's what our dry mixture looks like. What it was is that we used 4 tablespoons of sugar to 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and we kind of mixed it around. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And now what we're going to do is we're going to have our heat source. You know, we're not in a lab, so we can't use a Bunsen burner, but of course we're going to do this the homemade way. Okay, and what we're doing here is putting the lighter fluid, so we're making like our little oven, so to speak. And now what we're going to do is go ahead and place some of our mixture right on top of that. Alright, so today's helper is going to be Christian Harding. So that's my son, and what he's going to do is he's going to go ahead and place the rest of the solid mixture in there. As you can see, we're kind of layering it on top like a little mound. Okay, and now what we're going to do, I think that's enough. What do you think, Chris?
Sure.
Yeah? You want to do one more? You think one more will?
Yeah. The
Okay.
bigger the snake.
Alright, let's try it. I think that's good enough. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and light our little makeshift Alright, so we're going to go ahead and light it. Go ahead, Chris. We're lighting that, actually the sand. Remember, the sand is the one that has the lighter fluid. I don't know if you can see it, but it's heating up.
Hope you like it. Stay tuned for more easy science videos.
Make sure to hit that like button.
Say bye, Woody. Bye.
Bye, guys.